In a clear display of fundamentalist Islamic ideology and assault on minority rights, Pakistan has halted the construction of a Hindu temple in Islamabad. A temple which was said to be built after many hurdles once again lies in dichotomy with Islamic extremists protesting against the construction of Sri Krishna temple for Hindus in the national capital. Prime Minister Imran Khan, who votes to protect minority rights after assuming office, has kneeled down in front of jihadi Islamic clerics who spew venom against the minorities and every other religion except Islam to incite violence and extremism in the society. A report.
अगर तुम मंदिर बनाओगे तो पाकिस्तानी कौम और गैरतमंद कौम ये तुम्हारी गर्दनें काट कर मंदिर के बाहर फिरने वाले कुत्तों के सामने रख देंगे।
गोली नहीं चलाएंगे, कोई गैर कानूनी जिद्दोजहद नहीं करेंगे, न गमला तोड़ेंगे, न पौधा तोड़ेंगे, लेकिन हमारी जिंदगी में हमारे होते हुए ये मंदिर इस्लामाबाद में नहीं बन सकता। हम एहतजाज भी करेंगे, धरना भी देंगे, जुलूस भी निकालेंगे।
Fatwas, religious bigotry and threats emerged from the Islamists against the building of a Hindu temple in Islamabad. The Islamist extremists even desecrated the under-construction site and vandalized the temple's foundation to express their anger and disagreement against Hindu sentiments. They chanted slogans and video recorded themselves offering namaz with great pride. The proposed construction of Sri Krishna temple in Islamabad could be the first constructed Hindu temple in Pakistan's modern history. Halting the construction of a Hindu religious place is yet another reminder of how the space for religious freedom is shrinking in Pakistan. From common people to political leaders, everyone is ranting about religious supremacy of Muslims to undermine the need of a Hindu temple for the largest minority of the country. The federal government's ally and Speaker of the Punjab Assembly, Chaudhry Parvez Ilahi, said that building a new temple was against the spirit of Islam.
पाकिस्तान जो इस्लाम के नाम पर वजूद में आया था और इसके दारुल हुकूमत इस्लामाबाद में नया मंदिर बनाना न सिर्फ इस्लाम की रूह के खिलाफ है बल्कि ये रियासत मदीना की भी तौहीन है। पहले से मौजूद जो मंदिर हैं उनकी मरम्मत की जानी चाहिए। हमने भी अपने दौर में कटास राज की मरम्मत कराई और बहाली का काम करवाया था और पहली दफा अपने बजट में हर साल चर्चिस की रिपेयर के लिए भी हम पैसे रखते रहे।
Minorities in Pakistan, be it Hindus, Sikhs or Christians, are facing persecution despite the constitution giving them equal citizen rights and the freedom to practice religion. The state lets the pressure groups treat minorities as third-rate citizens. Unfortunately, if anyone speaks about minority rights in Pakistan, he is being threatened and accused of committing blasphemy. A blasphemy complaint has been registered against PML and leader and former Foreign Minister Khwaja Asif over his remarks in National Assembly that no religion is superior to the other while referring to the temple issue.
My question is, if any religion could establish their worship places at any part of the world, including their capitals, then why the Hindus could not establish their temples in Islamabad? These are the causes actually that the minorities who were 23% in 1947 and now are decreased to 5%. And there are already the discriminatory laws and practices in routine. The Hindus and Christian girls' convergence, the biased curriculum, the constitutional barriers, the academic issues.
Activists from the Hindu community in Nepal and India protested against the atrocities committed against Pakistani Hindus. In Kathmandu, the protesters carried placards and burnt an effigy of Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan outside the Pakistan embassy. They demanded the construction of Sri Krishna temple in Islamabad and sought justice for minorities who have been suffering in the hands of Islamic fundamentalists.